another video. I have everything pink. Is it too pink? I even have pink right there. But because I have pink, it is because I have a wonderful, wonderful brand to share with you again. This is my second collab with this brand. I really, really love this brand. It's super sentimental to me. And because Valentine's Day is coming up and we have all the wonderful Valentine's Day content on this channel, I want to show you some beautiful gifts that you can give for Valentine's Day, which is the next holiday coming up, or Mother's Day, which is after that. So let's get to unboxing and reviewing this beautiful, beautiful piece/pieces. Okay, here we go. Ding! Doesn't this look so cute and romantic? Isn't it wonderful? It says Forever Love, and it has like a little doily. Does anybody, am I aging myself? Does anybody remember the doilies back then that you would make for, like, you know, Valentine's Day cards and stuff? Am I aging myself right now? But anyway, look at how cute it is. There are the roses. Aren't they beautiful? And then the jewelry gets set on this side. I'll show you the jewelry in a minute. I just wanted to take a minute to really appreciate this box. It's kind of giving Forever Roses. These are also scented, by the way. Super, super beautiful. Okay, let's get to the amazing part on the other side of the box, which is this gorgeous gold heart. They have like diamonds on both sides and then the heart in the middle. This is a bracelet. Gold is my favorite. They do have silver as well. And they're made for, they're super adjustable. So if you have a large wrist or a small wrist, it should fit you. It should definitely fit you. So I'm going to put it on so that you can see it. Nala, mami, deja eso, por favor. Oh, it's so pretty. Can you see it? And just so you know, this is not your regular average jewelry. No, it is not. No, it is not. So, what is so fantastic about this jewelry is, let me see. I'm gonna try. I can do it with the phone. I don't know if I can do it with the camera. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn the lights off so you can see this. But inside is a picture of me and Nala. And then what's really cute about the box for the brand is it comes with a really pretty bag, gift bag. And it has a piece of material that you can use to clean your jewelry. And it has the cutest little card. Look at that. Oh, I love it. So pretty. And it has it in different languages. So that is the bracelet. Now, even though I already did a video on this brand before, I'm also going to re-show you the necklace in case you didn't see it in the first video. That video was a long time ago. So this is silver. I'm not a silver person, so I don't use it that much, but it's good that I have the silver so you can see how both metals look. But this is a necklace. So pretty. And then let me show you the bracelet, which I'll be using the bracelet a lot. Necklace and bracelet. So pretty. Let me see if I can get it like right next to each other. There we go. Alright, so I am going to turn off the lights and I'm going to put my phone up against the wall and show you the projection images on both of these. It's going to be a lot of fun. I actually really enjoy doing that. This one has a picture of me when I was a baby so I can remind myself that I need to love the little girl inside. And this one is a picture of me and Nala on our second Christmas because now she's 1 year old and she's still my baby, but she's all grown up. So comment down below what you think. I think this is so cool that a jewelry can hold such beautiful pieces. It kind of reminds me of those locket watches and locket necklaces that people used to use back in the day. I don't know if they use them that much anymore. I feel like this is just like more of an advanced way to do that. So I'm excited. I'm super excited. This is such a great gift for weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day. And yeah, let's get into the beautiful images on these pieces of jewelry. So as you can see here, I have the room completely dark, and that's the picture of me and Nala on the bracelet, the gold bracelet. And the further you go back, the wider and larger the image is, and it's up against the blank wall in my living room. And it's pretty large. It does get a little pixelated when it gets too large, when you move too far back from wherever you're casting it. But as you can see, I'm moving closer and closer, so the image becomes a little bit clearer and a little bit smaller. But that's me looking at Nala. You can't see Nala too well because she's black like her fur, but she's there, and it's such a lovely memento memory. Now you can see me put the bracelet down, and I'm picking up the necklace, and this is baby Betty. And it just reminds me, it's a cute reminder that, you know, love your inner child, because she's still there. And as you see, I'm getting closer, and it gets smaller and more detailed. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until my next video, you guys, besos!